Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be working on my 2009 Corolla S, and I am going to be installing a set of these LASFIT LED switchback bulbs. So these are going to be going onto the front parking bulbs on the front corner lights. So they will illuminate white when your parking lights are on, but when you engage the turn signals, they will flash amber as they do normally now. So I will go ahead and swap these out. I'm going to show you the process, and this is going to be a little more involved because you have to take off the front bumper to get to these, because you got to kind of loosen the light, the whole headlamp, and pull it out to get to it. It's tucked back in there, and I'll show you what I mean. So a little bit more involved, but I've had the bumper off before. It's not terribly difficult to do. It just takes a little bit more time and a little bit of patience, and we'll do this and we'll get going. So thanks for joining me today. I'll also put a picture of it in the video so that you guys can see it, and it lists all the different models that require this bulb, the CK1, so that you don't have any problems. If your car's not on that list, you just order the regular standard one. So that being said, let's get to taking the bumper off. Then we can get to the headlights, and the problem is it's all the way tucked. There it is. I can see it, but there's no way to get my hand in there. So you got to take the bumper off so we can loosen this bolt. There's another one on the side behind here, and there's another, it's not a bolt, but it just kind of slips into a thing here. So you can take this out, then we can get to the bulb. But this is the bulb right here that we're trying to change. So while it takes a little bit more to get to these bulbs right here on this car by taking the bumper off, it really is about 5 minutes to actually undo the fasteners for it. So it's not difficult. So undo these three. Now, there we go. Now we can get to this sucker. So real quick. So there is our parking bulb, and there's our flasher. So let's open up our new bulbs. I want you to look at this. This is quite the sight. I mean, look at this thing. LEDs all over the place. Now it's going to be kind of interesting. I'm curious to see what it looks like, because the normal one, light went forward also, but this one doesn't look like it has any forward light. Just everything from around it. So I see orange and yellow, which is your white. So It'll be interesting to see what it looks like when it illuminates. And there, I don't know if you can see it, but it does actually say CK right there, which is what this car requires. So we'll go ahead and unsnap the OEM bulb. Snap this one in. Oh, okay. So there's parking lights on. So that is just our white light. Those are fairly bright. It'll be interesting to see what they look like in there. And then let's check our flashing. Oh, interesting. So I think, wow, God, that's bright. I think the white ones stay on. They don't turn off. It's just that the amber is so much more powerful. I think the amber is so much more powerful that it just overplays it. Let's go ahead and put this back into the housing. And let's see what it looks like in the housing. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Wow. I like that. So there's what it looks like in just the on position. So that's just with the parking lights on. So we still have our amber light here, but now this is white. And we still have our ring, our halo ring around the HID low beam. And then this is what it looked like before. Or was amber on both. So amber here and amber there. So let's go ahead and turn on the flash. Let me see. Let's see. So this is what it looked like before. So that's what it looked like with the turn signal going. Oh, wow. Wow. That is a whole lot brighter. Wow. Wow. People are not going to miss that I am turning. Wow. Huge improvement. Huge. Alrighty. So got this headlight put back into place. So now I just need to put the screws back in their appropriate places. The 3 screws. And that one will be done. So then I will move over to here. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm not going to go ahead and record this one, but same process. Take the 3 bolts out, pop this off, replace the bulb in that one, and we'll be all set. And then I just slap the grill back, the bumper back on, and our job is done. So thank you for joining me today, guys. I'll tell you, this is an excellent upgrade. I love the switchback look, and much better than the traditional single bulb and being incandescent. So we get a double upgrade. So please grab yourself some, check out what you need. Like I said, don't forget to look on the list to see if which type of bulb do you need, the standard bulb or the CK. And there's not a lot of cars that take the CK. My Corolla happened to be one of them, but there are some different brands though that use that. So needless to say, there's nothing that you have to do. It's simple plug and play if you get the right one. With that being said, thanks for joining me today. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Go out there and improve your lighting, ladies and gentlemen. You will appreciate it. Others will see you better. You will see better. Until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road. Super bright blinker. You can actually see from here, you can see the white in between it. So how it switches back and forth. So the white actually stays on, and then the amber blinker is more powerful. So that over brightens it. So it's kind of cool how they did that. So very excited. Everything works great. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please holler at me.